Welcome back to another video. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable menu narration on Assassin's Creed Mirage. First, let's hop into the game. In the main tab of the game, navigate to the bottom right part of the screen, which you should be able to see Enable Menu Narration. Simply click on that one or the hotkey beside it to enable or disable that option. Now, if this option doesn't show on your screen, then click the Options button. In here, click the sound at the top, then scroll down until you see the menu narration section. Simply choose On if you want to enable it, and choose Off if you want to disable it.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.